Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn off TikTok screen time without password. So open your TikTok profile and tap on this three-line icon to the top right corner, settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on digital well-being. Now tap on daily screen time, tap on turn off, and you must have to enter your passcode here to turn off daily screen time. Tap on next, and here you can see I've successfully turned off daily screen time. If this video helping, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.